Hi, my 997 fans. Well, it had to happen to me. First time ever I've had the check engine light visit workshop. Very cold night. Traveling home on the motorway, I got the dreaded. At normal speed, the car feels fine. But once you get up to 70 plus, then you get an abnormal vibration. It's not a wheel balancing issue. It's a completely different feeling. A very deep rumble. Like you're driving over rumble strips. Next day I broke out the Porsche Diagnostics, the P-Wiz, checked the engine over and found some faults. The computer indicated that there was a misfire on cylinder 3. Bank 1, which is that one right there. So just gonna pop that off and do it on the roads. So it's possible either the coil or the spark plug may be at fault. The temperature outside at the time was about 3 degrees. I let the engine come up to temperature before driving. My plugs and coils are fairly new. I've only changed them about 4 years ago, so I guess they are ready for a replacement. And there is my fending coil, which is that guy there. Unclip that, pull that off, check it, and replace it. And I'll have a look at the spark plugs, because either that's caused me some problems or that's caused me some problems. Might be this, but it says, the P-Wiz says it's that. So, okay, let's have a pull. It looks fine from here. So let's pull that and find out. So, possibly the cold and the damp has contributed to the premature failure. And here is its replacement. There you go. Press the clip. Okay. Clips released. Oh, gotcha. Unhook that. Release the hounds. Release the hounds. I just promised myself to get a ratchet for this. Okay, where's the coil? Come on out. You got visitors. There's my nice little RONEDEE snap-on spark plug adapter remover. I just slide that through the hole. Got the spark plug out. It looks fine. It's not corroded, burnt, or just greased. So I tested it with a multimeter and everything came back fine. The only problem was the coil. The coil had basically burnt out. How? I don't know. But I can assure you it's not IMS failure or bore scoring, as the internet likes to address. There's your new spark plug. FGR5KQEO. Right. And here's what a new one looks like. Hopefully not to drop this sucker. Alright. Okay. I can now see the logic in the design of this spark plug. using 4 probes to generate a spark on the tip, because this has a buildup of carbon on the edge of the tip, which makes it difficult to probe with a multimeter. I suppose this design is better than 1 probe to generate a spark. Okay, let's get this new spark plug in. Do not drop this. Just in case, I put a pad on the floor. Few back turns so you hear click, and then you go right, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Torque wrench. Alright, 30 Newton meters, 25 if you're using the old plug. Oh baby, I knew it. It's left the thing in there. I knew I should have put some tape on there. Sakala blah. Okay, let's get that out. It usually comes out nicely. There we go. Right, 30 Newton meters. That's the plug is done. Now put in the new coil. This is the old one. The old coil is fine. It's doesn't have any cracks, so it seems in good condition. But we're going to replace it with a new one. That says coming this far and doing a half job. Some sort of green lubricant on the end of that. Alright, let's do this. And we're in. One new coil. Came with some new bolts, so we'll just utilize those. Excuse my heavy breathing. I'm lying on the floor in the middle of winter, I might add. The car is jacked up on a trolley jack, and I have a jack stand for safety. Okay. So coil packs call for 10 Newton meters. Don't know if you can see that. 10 Newton meters. Yeah, that's 10. That's 10. Okay. Lovely jubbly. Put our little clip on. Click. Did you hear the click? We are good to go. Let's get the rubber boot down. Okay. So the rubber boot coming down. That's done. Got your uncle and your aunt. So I've completed the repair. Everything looks good. And I'm happy to report the car drives beautiful. I have taken it
to infinity
and no errors on the P-Wiz computer. Result. So the moral of the story is, keep driving your car and don't park it over the winter. This kind of problem can happen to you anytime, even in summer. It's a simple fix.
Well, that's it for me. I'm glad it's you, Chunky.